Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Clue. Here we go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above we can search about Clue. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.